Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance package. We do get the nice carbonized gray bumper with rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we do get recovery hooks, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does stay up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray, black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back. You do get under seat storage as well, with some storage here, USB, USB-C, and we do get some cup holders. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 6.5 kilometers. Got this nice leather wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control, lane centering. We got a digital speedometer as well with my view, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake with drive mode, traction, auto stop, auto start, with four-wheel drive, cup holders, and more storage with a nice little phone slot, USB and USB-C. We got storage below with a 12-volt. Your climate controls, so just your basic ones, max temp, fan, dual climate up front, hazards, volume, storage here and below. And above me, we got our features for our powered sliding rear window opener. We got a nice big infotainment system here with all your climate controls at the bottom, dual climate, heated front seats. We got your audio here as well with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We do get our phone controls right here. Pretty easy to use. Your navigation, also easy to use. Zoom in and out. You can go to 3D mode, get a better look at what you are, compass, where we're at. And we got your audio here as well. And your tow assist, which is just going to help you attach your trailer hitch or your trailer. We got all your apps here as well. Navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, zone lighting, and your vehicle settings. So we do get auto hold and a lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE31800, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.